Hi there everyone, my name is Nick Hoetmer.
My name is Hector Parra.
We're here today in Girouette. We're going to show you a unique 3-bedroom apartment.
Shall we take a look of it?
Yes, let's go, come on in.
Okay.
So this was the short tour of the apartment.
And Nick, what do you think are the key features of this apartment?
Very important question. I think centrally located, gated, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, and only thing in the market in this price range. So if you're interested,
Just get contact with us.
okay, bye-bye.
Bye.